Hello dear students, today we are doing question number 8, exercise 5.3. Let us start question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें we are given and second term and third term. Value of second term is 14, value of third term is 18. And we have to find the sum of first 51 terms. In this question, we have no first term, no common difference. So let A and D be the first and the common difference. Now we are given T to second term is 14 and also T third term is 18. It can also be A2, right, as A3. A2 means second term is 14, A3 means third term is 18. Now A2 can be written as A plus n minus 1. Here n is 2. Second term 2 minus 1 into D equal to 14. So A plus D equal to 14. Similarly, A3 can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 D equal to 18. So A plus 2D equal to 18. Taking this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Solving first and second equation. Solving first and second equation for getting the value of A and D. First equation is A plus D equal to 14. Second equation is A plus 2D equal to 18. Now we have to find the value of A and D. So we are subtracting these equations. Now subtracting these, A cancels. Now plus sign become minus. So minus 2 plus 1D is equal to minus D equal to minus 4. So minus minus cancels. The value of D is 4. Substitute this value in either first equation or second equation. Now from the first equation, A plus D equal to 14. So D is 4. A plus 4 equal to 14. The value of A is 14 minus 4, that is 10. We have find first term and common difference. Now with the help of these both terms, we can easily find the sum of first 51 terms. Now A is 10, D is 4 and number of terms n is 51. So we will now use a formula Sn is equal to n by 2A plus n minus 1 into D, because we have n, A and D. So we are using sum of n terms, this formula. S and n is 51. 51 upon 2A. A is first term, that is 10. D minus n minus 1. 51 minus 1. D is 4. So S51 equal to 51 by 2. 10 2s are 20. 50. 51 minus 1, that is 50. 50 is multiplied by 4, that is 200. Now 51 upon 2. 220. 2 cancels, 220 by 110. So multiply these both terms. Our answer is 5610. So sum of first 51 term is 5610. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें sum of first 7 terms given है 49 and sum of 17 terms is 289. And we have to find the sum of n terms. Firstly, we have no first term, we have no common difference. So let us suppose A and D be the first term and the common difference of a given AP. Now we are given S7, sum of 7 terms is equal to 49. From the first condition, S7 can be written as, by using formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d, sum of n terms formula. So here n is 7 because we have sum of 7 terms. So substitute value of n is 7. So S7 can be written as 7 by 2. 2a is first term, n minus 1. N is 7 minus 1 into d equal to 49. Because sum of first 7 term is 49. So getting it equal to 49. Now 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d equal to 49. Taking 2 common from both terms. So 7 by 2, we are taking 2 common. So a plus 3d equal to 49. 2 cancels. A plus 3d equal to 49 by 7. 7 7 is 49. So a plus 3d equal to 7. This is taken as first equation. Now from the second condition, sum of 17 term is 289. Again, using formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n is taken as 17 because sum of 17 terms. So write down 17 by 2, 2a, 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. 17 by 2, 2a, 16d equal to 289. Now taking 2 common, 17 by 2, 2 into a plus 8d equal to 289. Now 2 cancels. 8 plus a plus 8d equal to 289 by 17. It cancels on 17. 17 1 ja 17 1 ja 17. Here we have now 11. 119, that goes on 19, 17. 17 into 7, 289. So 8 plus 8d equal to 17. 8 plus 8d equal to 17. This is taken as second equation. Now solving first and second equations for getting the value of a and d. A plus 3d equal to 7, a plus 8d equal to 17. Now subtracting these terms, can change their sign. A cancels, minus a. You have to forget the plus sign. Now you have taken as negative sign. Minus 8 plus d, that is minus 5d equal to minus 10. So value of d is minus 10 upon minus 5, that is 2. Value of d is 2. Now from first equation, substitute the value of d in first equation. A plus 3d equal to 7. So d is 2. So value of a is 7 minus 6, that is 1. Now we have a 1 and d 2, and number of terms we have to find the sum, n number of terms. We have to find the sum of n terms. So we have to find Sn. Now Sn can be, n is taken as n by 2 because we have to find the sum of n terms. So n is n. 2a is 1, n minus 1, d is 2. So n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2 cancels. So n by 2 into 2n, 2 cancels each other, n square. Hence, sum of first n terms of given AP is n square. Now question number 10th. Question number 10th. Show that A1, A2, so on, AN form an AP whose AN is defined as below. Now an is 3 plus 4n, first part. Second part is an is equal to 9 minus 5. In this question we have two parts. Firstly, we have to show that we have given an nth term, and we have to prove that this nth term forms an AP. If it forms an AP, then we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Now firstly, we will check it forms an AP. First, in first part, an is 3 plus 4n, nth term. For finding the first term, second term, we will substitute the value of n is 1, 2, 3. Now, firstly, putting the value of different values of n in this equation. Now, firstly, n is 1. We are substituting n, value of n is 1. So, here is n 1, 3 plus 4. Here, so substitute 1 in place of n. So, 3 plus 4, that is 7. Means the first term of this series is 7. Now, again, substitute 2 in place of n. Here n is, so we will write 2. 3 plus 4 and n, write down 2. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11. Now for finding the third value, now we will substitute n equal to 3. 3 plus 12, that is 15. Now we will check these terms forms AP, either AP. Now how can we find these terms forms AP? By taking common difference. So by subtracting second term from first term, that is A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 7, that is 4. Again subtracting third term minus second term, 15 minus 11, that is 4. So the difference is same. So we can say that the given sequence series forms an AP. So given sequence forms an AP. Now first part is done. If it forms an AP, then we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Now A is considered as A1, that is 7. First term is 7. Common difference is 4 and n is 15. Now we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. 15 by 2, 2a, that is 7, n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d, that is 4. Now as 15 equal to 15 by 2, 7 to the 14, 15 minus 1, that is 14, 14 4 the 56. So 15 by 2 into 70, 35. Multiply these numbers, our answer is 525. So sum of first 15 terms is 525. Now part second. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Nth term we are given. Now we have to firstly check that this sequence forms an AP. If it forms AP, then we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Again, putting the different values of n in first. Now for n is equal to 1, A1 is 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 9 minus 5, 4. So first term is 4. Again for second term, substitute n is 2. 9 minus 10 minus 1. Again for third term, substitute n is 3. That is minus 6. Now we have find first 3 terms, A1, A2, A3. Now we will check their difference. A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1, minus 4. That is minus 5. Again A3 minus A2. Minus 6, minus is in formula. Minus 1 is value of A2. That is minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. Again, both answers are same. So difference of both these three terms is same. So we can say that this given sequence forms an AP. Now given sequence forms an AP. Now we have to find the sum of first 15 terms. Now first term is considered as 4. The common difference is taken as minus 5. N is 15. The sum of first 15 term is 15 by 2, 2a, that is a is 4, n minus 1, that is 50 minus 1, d is minus 5. So 15 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 15 minus 1 4, 4 5s are minus 70. 15 by 2, 8 minus 70, that is 15 by 2 into minus 62. Now 31. 15 is multiplied by minus 31. Answer is 465. Sum of first 15 terms is minus 465. Thank you.